What if I told you that everything you see, touch, and interact with, the stars, planets, galaxies, even you and me, makes up less than 5% of the universe? Yep. The rest? It's completely invisible. And we have no idea what it really is. This is the strange world of dark matter and dark energy. And today we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Buckle up, because this is where things get weird. Let's start with dark matter. We know it's out there. We see its effects everywhere, from the way galaxies rotate, to the way light bends around massive objects. But we have no idea what it actually is. Think of it this way. Imagine you're on a boat in the middle of the ocean at night. You see distant lights on the shore. You know land is there, but you have no idea if it's mountains, forests, or beaches. That's exactly our situation with dark matter. We see its effects, but we can't figure out what's causing them. So what do we actually know about it? 3 things. Number 1. It's something. We just don't know what. 2. It interacts with gravity, shaping galaxies and the universe. And 3. There's a lot of it. About 5 times more than normal matter. One of the best pieces of evidence for dark matter comes from how galaxies spin. If we only count the mass of stars and gas, galaxies should tear themselves apart. Their outer edges should be flying off into space. But they don't. Something unseen, something massive is holding them together. That's dark matter. Even crazier, we can actually see where dark matter is, kind of. Massive clusters of dark matter bend and distort light around them, like a giant magnifying glass in space. This effect, called gravitational lensing, is one of our best clues that dark matter is real. Scientists have a bunch of ideas about what dark matter might be. Could it be made of exotic particles we haven't discovered yet? Maybe it's something called WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, which could be floating all around us, passing right through our bodies without us noticing. Or maybe it's axions, tiny, ghost-like particles that don't interact with light. Some even wonder if it's made of microscopic black holes. We don't really know. And here's the frustrating part. We've built detectors underground, inside mountains, and in giant tanks of pure liquid xenon, waiting for a dark matter particle to show up. So far, nothing. It's like waiting for a ghost to knock on your door. Dark matter is the universe's best-kept secret, and it's not ready to spill the beans just yet. If dark matter holds the universe together, then dark energy is what is tearing it apart. Back in 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered something shocking. The universe is expanding. Scientists thought this expansion should slow down over time because of gravity. But surprise, it's actually speeding up. That's where dark energy comes in. Dark energy is a mysterious force that's pushing galaxies away from each other, making space itself expand faster and faster. But here's the kicker. Dark energy makes up about 70% of the universe. That means everything we see. The galaxies, the stars, and even the mysterious dark matter that we know is there, is just a small fraction of what's really out there. So what is dark energy? One idea is that empty space itself has energy, constantly creating more space. The more space there is, the more dark energy exists, which makes the expansion even faster. Another theory is that space is full of virtual particles popping in and out of existence, generating a repulsive force. Or maybe dark energy is some kind of new unknown force. Something entirely different from anything we've ever encountered. Want to know something even weirder? Dark energy might not just be pushing the universe apart. It could be changing the very fabric of reality itself. If it keeps accelerating, space might expand so fast that galaxies, stars, and even atoms could be ripped apart in a distant, terrifying fate known as the Big Rip. Dark matter and dark energy aren't just abstract ideas for physicists to argue about. They shape the past, present, and future of our universe. Understanding them could unlock new physics, reveal hidden dimensions, or even tell us why the universe exists in the first place. What if dark matter holds the key to a new kind of technology? What if dark energy could be harnessed in some way? Right now, these are just dreams. But so was electricity before we understood it. Science has a way of turning the impossible into reality. So, are we close to an answer? Not yet. But that's what makes this so exciting. We're standing on the edge of knowledge, looking out into the unknown. For now, dark matter and dark energy remain some of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. But one day, maybe we'll finally uncover the truth. Until then, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and remember, our universe is still full of secrets waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of the universe. See you on the next video.